What's up, guys? I've been getting a lot of questions and comments on the forums and on the F-150 Facebooks about my exhaust setup. So I decided to do a quick video, show you guys the exhaust, do some sound clips, and show you what's going on. It is a 2016 F-150 5.0 four-wheel drive, and I have an Ecoboost MBRP 4-inch exhaust on it. That's right, Ecoboost exhaust on a 5.0. We're doing a cold start from inside of the truck. So a little bit of background on the truck. We are leveled on Bilsteins all the way around. They're maxed out at 2.1. I'm sitting on 34s. I got 18 by 9 0 offset. The 34s do have a lot of road noise that I have on here, so you will hear some of that in this video while I'm driving. Right now we're cruising. I'm getting ready to take off from this light here, and see if you guys can hear it. And this is cruise control set at 50 miles an hour. In the cab, windows up. A lot of people asked about the fitment because it is an Ecoboost exhaust. It bolted right on. There were no issues with that. I took off my factory cat back, bolted on the 4-inch, and there were no problems. Fits perfectly. If you're looking at an Ecoboost exhaust for your 5.0, you don't have to worry about any fitment issues there. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. There is slightly more drone than I would like, and I'm probably going to go ahead and weld in a resonator and go ahead and knock that down a little bit. But besides that, it has a great tone to it. It sounds awesome outside of the truck whenever you start it up. I'm going to get some drive-by clips here in a minute, and you guys can check it out. Let me know what you think.